Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the replacement cylinder is the exact Yale profile and backset. Mismatched sizes jam later. Once done, turn the key slightly to align the cam inside the lock so the cylinder can slide out. Use a Phillips to remove the long fixing screw in the face of the edge plate while steadying the cylinder with your free hand. Make sure to keep screws organized. You'll need them for reassembly. This step prevents forcing the barrel and damaging the door mechanism. You now pull the old cylinder straight out while rotating the key slightly to clear the cam. A small wiggle helps free a stuck barrel. Once removed, compare the tailpiece length and orientation of the new cylinder to the old one. Some models require swapping or trimming a tailpiece, so check fit carefully. Insert the new barrel with the key turned as before so the cam lines up. Push firmly until it seats flush and the cam engages smoothly with the lock body. You finish by replacing and tightening the fixing screw while holding the cylinder flush. Tighten until secure but don't strip the threads. Once secured, operate the key and thumb turns several times with the door open to verify smooth action and proper latch movement. If the lock feels stiff or binds, loosen the fixing screw a quarter turn and realign the cam, then retest before fully tightening. One key troubleshooting tip. If the tailpiece is the wrong length, swap it now rather.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.